Guys, we've been seeing some big dips in the crypto market space recently, especially Dogecoin. A lot of this is happening because of FUD, fake news, which I'm going to be discussing in today's video regarding that manipulation. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button. Guys, because of the huge options expiration that we had recently, we had a massive dip. The bulls were fighting with the bears. They were trying to keep the price high and it just wasn't working. So the bulls were having to flip. They were having to go bearish and buy back their positions so that they could make some money and at least break even. They also put fake news out there to get people to sell, and that's another reason. Guys, the Nasdaq also took a plunge on the regular stock market. And the Nasdaq most closely follows cryptos because it is a tech stock. Especially when you see Nasdaq, Ethereum, and Bitcoin pumping all at once. Then you really know that the altcoins are about to pump as well. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, Old FUD, New Bitcoin Price Dip. Weeks old China crypto ban sparks Bitcoin price drop to 42K. Old news out of nowhere got picked up on social media, which only assisted in the instant crypto price crash. Guys, this China FUD came out many months ago. It's not relevant at all right now. However, because it was spread on social media, people got scared. People had never heard of it before, and that's what was causing people to have paper hands and sell out. Guys, never have paper hands. Always have diamond hands and hold until you reach your desired profits. Never sell for less than you bought in for, because that's exactly what the whales want you to do. And you're literally handing your money over to the whales if you do that. Guys, the FUD news that was put out there simply said that China was persisting its ban. Guys, it already banned it, so what more could it persist? It's simply a reminder of old news. And this is an exact example of the crypto manipulation, the FUD, the fake news that the whales are spending money to put out there. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, some more FUD and fake news. An article just came out titled, China Evergrande Auditor Gave Clean Bill of Health Despite the Debt. PwC didn't include a going concern warning on its annual report for the ailing property developer. Guys, what they found out was that Evergrande was supposed to pay back a lot of people that invested with them, and they never did. Well, that scared some people, and that made them want to get out of the crypto market. Guys, we don't get into the crypto game for the short term. We get in for the long term. Sure, we might day trade, and this volatility is what allows us to make money day trading on the regular. However, we all know and have confidence that Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a lot of other top cryptos will continue to go up in price year after year. So this sort of news doesn't scare people like me, and it shouldn't scare you either. Another article came out titled, Bitcoin price drops 2K as China declares cryptocurrency-related business illegal. Bitcoin erased Thursday's 3% gains as PPOC stepped up to crack down on crypto. Guys, it's more fake news, not even related because all the China miners have now come to the United States. They couldn't do it in China any longer. Guys, China wants to release their own cryptocurrency, so right now they're putting a lot of fake news out there to scare people into forgetting about the regular top cryptos to invest in, so that people will put money into the one that they are putting out. Guys, theirs is no better, they're just trying to convince you of that. Guys, we're still in a bit of fear when we look at our crypto fear and greed index. However, we are coming out of that, and people are going to start to get greedy and having FOMO soon, so you're going to want to get in before this happens. Guys, when we look at our Bitcoin charts, we see that the FUD and fake news is affecting it. However, we are still seeing higher highs and higher lows when we zoom out, which means that we are still very bullish. Guys, we are having a huge recovery that's happening in the crypto market space right now after a long cooldown corrections period, which was completely normal. The AMC news coming out about them accepting Dogecoin is going to be huge. Some more mass adoption is going to happen inevitably when this happens. So you want to wait for the dip when I call it out so you're positioned very well. For the AMC holders to come over to Dogecoin and for Tesla to start accepting Dogecoin when Elon gets the founders to reduce the transaction rates for AMC will be huge as well. So guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we were headed down. However, we came up again, we headed down again, and sure enough, we had a reverse cup and handle, and then we had a double bottom. Guys, this double bottom that you see right here is very bullish, and that's why we're seeing a green candlestick just thereafter going straight up. So guys, you want to be ready when I call it out, ready when I say that we've reached our peak and I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well. And then of course thereafter, because with every peak we always have a dip, when we have a dip again, I'm going to let you guys know if it's steep enough to buy in, if I'm buying in, so that you guys can buy in as well. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time sensitive daily Dogecoin upload. And I'll see you tomorrow.